Hey everyone, this is alexusadays, and we're continuing Python for quality assurance. So today we're going to create our first Python project, and then we will create our own first program that will run classic hello world. We will also extend this program to ask for your name, and then we will print out hello world plus your name. We'll use print to show output, and we will use input to read a value from the user. Open PyCharm. And here in PyCharm, just go ahead and go to File, hit New Project, then select the path for your project that you want to create. You can hit the Browse and navigate to the folder, or you can select the project, some other folder, or use the default one. Now over here for the environment, we can use custom environment, or you can download a Python or use a virtual environment. I say go ahead and hit custom environment and select the one that is existing. So we're going to select, instead of generating new, we're going to select existing. This existing will point to our Python path 3.14.2 that we installed. And then hit create button. And here is our project created. There is some main Python example script. It also has to exclude the Windows Defender. Sure, I'm going to exclude it. Windows Defender was excluded. And now let's right click in the code example folder, code examples, and set new and create Python file. And then for our Python file, let's name it first.py. First.py, or just first, because we already selected Python file, it will give it extension.py. Here's our very first file created. Now let's write our first line of code. So we're going to say print, and then open parentheses, and inside we're going to say hello world, like that. Okay, and then once you're done here, right click it, and then select run first. So the run first was executed, and now you see in the console, in the terminal, and output, there's hello world being printed out. So we just ran our first program, we typed some text in, there was a print method here, and it executed the text inside and printed out to the console. Great job. Okay, so now let's extend it a little bit, and we'll create a variable. We'll say user underscore name equals, and now here we're going to put this input, and it was in parentheses and in quotes. We're going to say please enter your name, like this, space at the end. Okay, so this variable will store the name that will be provided into the console, and then we will do this print and double quotes, start, then started was an F, and then inside say hello world, exclamation mark, then my name is, and then within the curly brackets, username the variable that we created. Okay, and now let's hit run. So now you can run first at the top, or you can still right click it and say run first. So the program executes, and now you see in the console window, there's this little waiting for the input. So you see that it's waiting to have you some input provided. So you can say, for example, your name, my name is Alex, and then press enter. And now hello world, my name is Alex is executed. This part of the code is running. You can also add like an exclamation mark at the end, and then run it one more time. Again, it's asking for the name, and let's say I'll say Alex USA-days, hit enter, and now we can see the program is running again. The very first run, hello world, is this line number 1, and then it's asking for input. This is coming from line number 3, right? And then on the next line number 4 is being executed. Hello world, my name is alexusadays, using the username inside the text, at the string. Okay. And that's it. This is our first project created, and we ran our first program with Python, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.